We're looking at Apple stock in the master swing charters to see if maybe we want to be taking a position today or any time in the near future. And we can see that Apple made a double bottom and has moved up nicely since then. And we want to see if this double bottom is significant, so we go back to our point and figure chart, which is a long-term point and figure chart of Apple going all the way back to 84, and we can see that there's a fairly significant support and resistance zone that ranges from the high 350s, 360 up to the low 400s, and we're right in the center of that zone, and we can see that Apple made a double bottom on the point and figure chart in a highly significant support zone. So if this were on your list a month ago, you'd be looking at Apple for a possible position at that time. So we'll go back to our campaign chart, and we can see that the stochastic RSI is pegged in the overbought condition, which indicates that it would be rather high risk to be taking a long position on Apple today. But we can also see from the ease of movement indicator, which combines price and volume, that money is flowing into Apple and that the price is likely to continue in the direction of the the direction of the ease of movement indicator. So what we want to do is we want to look at Apple in a swing chart to see what's going on within this last little wave up here. And we count the number of daily bars, and it's 26. So we want to see how many bars we need for our swing chart. So we go to the minute bar calculator, and we're using daily bars. We have 26. So we need 85 minute bars to make a 120 bar chart. And for that we go to the up data. We'll go to Google Intraday, and we'll update Apple, and you get near real-time updates from Google at no cost, and we can see that the update was at 10:20 on August 7th, which is today, and it's now about the same time, 10:20. So we're getting near real-time data from Google, and what happens is it downloads it into 5-minute files, which we can then use to convert to the time frame that we need for the 185 bar or the 120 bar chart. So we know we need 85 minute bars. Click 85, make 120 bar files, and we're done. So we want to create a swing chart. We'll go to Google, the intraday data, the 120 bar directory, and here's our Apple 85s. So we open up Apple in our swing chart, and we'll use our momentum wave indicator here, the Elliott oscillator, to do a count. And we've got 1, we went below 0 for a 2, and we're up for a 3. So we're in a third wave in Apple. And just to check, we can see that the Elliott oscillator in the first wave was 1448, and in the third wave 1588. So indeed it was higher. So we know that we're in a third wave. It's kind of late to be getting in at this moment. We could see that from the stochastic RSI, which is pegged in the oversold, and we could also see that the accelerator, which is a derivative of the Elliott oscillator momentum indicator, has lost a little steam. So we'll be looking for a wave 4 entry at some time in the perhaps not too distant future. We could probably pin down a price and time zone that we'll be looking at from Fibonacci analysis. But we're just speaking generally to get an overview of what we might want to be doing with Apple in the near future. So I hope this was useful to you.